No, we won't.
So we're here in Liverpool on the Union J Tour with...
Next up, Mars.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Oh, I was expecting you to like your own names and then at the end.
Oh.
We can do that again.
Take two with
Chanel.
Dennis.
Dan.
John.
And we are...
Next up, Mars.
Here we go. So first of all, we've got to talk about two new band members since the last time we sat down.
Yeah. Which has been
Yeah.
a while since the last time we sat down together.
3 years maybe?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Do you want to introduce yourselves?
I'm John. I'm the drummer of Next Up Mars.
And I'm Dan and I'm the guitarist of Next Up Mars.
Should we explain like how we got together or?
Yeah, so we basically met John and Dan over the internet via like an online kind of advert for piecing the band together. And that's basically it, pretty much. We used to say that we found John and Dan on the street, but
that's a bit mean, so
it's a bit mean,
because they cried a few times.
More than a few.
Yeah, we basically decided that it would benefit us in the band to have some brilliant musicians. So we put
You couldn't find
a
any of those,
notice
so we
up.
found out.
Put a notice up for an audition, and they sent us some online audition tapes. And
I think we applied on the same day, didn't we?
applied on the same
The
day,
same day. That's random, isn't it? That's
So basically like a team deficit.
within the same hour. And we just clicked and it was amazing. And we decided to change the name from SCGM to Next Up Mars because we felt it suited like the sound better. And the rest is history.
Fair enough. So what's it like being a 4-piece and not a 2-piece?
it works more efficiently, I think, and also like it's just more fun being on stage with like a group that you play really well with and writing together and messing around together. Sometimes we get on each other's nerves, but
We totally
no,
are.
not really. John's just the annoying one, which everyone else will be in agreement of. I'm just joking. He's the favourite, so you
She's
can't
not
moan
joking.
about that.
She's not.
We have a lot of fun.
Everyone asks this question.
Well, who's the most annoying?
Yeah, you've
I'll
got to
just-
ask it.
It's always me.
John is the most annoying, but like in a good way, and sometimes, well, it's mostly in a good way, but sometimes in a bad way.
If it's like a serious moment, then we'll get annoyed and be like, "Hey, John, shut up." But usually he is just like the baby of the band that is the one that's annoying, but in a cute way. So we can't get mad at him.
Thank you.
because, yeah.
Who's the worst on the tour bus?
Dennis, because you fart all the time.
That is
That is true.
That is not true.
It is so true.
Listen, I had beans yesterday, okay? It was a one-off. I'm not very smelly.
Nice.
It's probably the breakfast.
I don't know, because when we get on the bus, we just...
Everyone's like that.
Yeah,
Doze
we're
off.
all so chill. Like we all
Headphones
just
in.
like headphones in. Either like Dan's watching a film on his iPad or his phone or something. I'll be listening to my music, and we'll just nap and have a nap.
Yeah, obviously the music's changed.
It has.
And how do you feel about it? Like it's going in the right direction?
We're kind of like really happy with the sound that we've got at the moment, and it is difficult.
Every single time we're on camera.
I know.
No, it's
That
so
was a
annoying.
good time though.
That's the alarm to walk my dog, which isn't actually in Liverpool. So.
I know, where is Milo?
Milo's not here.
No, we missed Milo.
He's super sad.
I spoke to my mum this morning and she said that Milo was crying and moping around all day yesterday because he misses us. I feel sad.
The music's like we're really for like once we're just so like happy with the way it is and the way it's sitting, but you know we're not stopping. Like we're going to release all the songs that we've written over the past year, and we have started writing more. So there is more music to come as well after that. So we're not stopping, and we're just going to continue to put stuff out because we're just having a good time with it.
So does this mean there's an album on the way?
Yes,
Eventually?
sure.
We will release like an album's worth of stuff. We don't know if we haven't decided yet whether we want to just release a solid album yet, or just keep putting songs out. And then just, I think the sound has already started to change gradually a little bit from the sound that we're doing at the moment.
Yeah.
But we're just having fun with it. Like we're not really like, we're not concentrating on trying to put an album out or whatever. We're just putting out songs and singles for people to hear. And then we might just do like a compilation album towards the end of the release of the songs.
That's why.
Yeah.
Obviously, Cake by the Ocean went viral.
Yeah, it did really well.
It did go a bit viral.
Yeah.
That was John's idea to do
video.
that song, and it was a really good idea.
It was like perfect time as well. Like I went on Facebook and it was there.
Yeah.
Twitter, it was there. Instagram, and I was like, okay.
It was cool.
We're actually planning to start.
What?
We're
Yeah,
planning to
it's
start.
not.
We're opening with that song tonight.
Oh yeah.
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 Sweet.
What basically happened is I saw it like kind of blown up in America, and it wasn't big on the UK charts or anything. But I could see it was at like, it must have been like 97 or something, and it just come up. So it was definitely about to get pushed from the UK. So I thought, if we quickly make a video and put it out, then we can just jump on the bandwagon. So if anyone in the UK Googles Cake by the Ocean, we're the second thing that's going to come up, maybe after the lyric video. And yeah, it got picked up by Capital,
Yeah.
which really helped us as well. That got a couple 10,000 views. And yeah, it just kept getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
It's doing well.
It's up to nearly like 50k now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I think more importantly, apart from John's logical strategy of how it would come up in the search engine, I think that like we were just really grateful that everyone really loved it, because the feedback that we got from people watching the video was like the best feedback we've had from any of our covers or anything.
It's just such a fun song, isn't it?
Yeah.
We
It
actually-
was so good.
Thank you.
We shot the video twice, which is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Because we tried to shoot it on a GoPro, and the whole plan the whole time was to have the video like entertaining, but we shot it on a GoPro and we're like, this is not gonna work.
Was it in the car?
And then we
You
were in
did
the
talk
car,
about it,
and it was like, okay, got to editing, and it
Looks
just
like
kind
now.
of didn't work. So we called our friend and we're like, dude, can we just borrow your camera for like an hour? We just want to replace some of the shots. And then we just did like an hour and a half of shooting, and we were like, God, this footage is way better. We're just gonna make the whole video this footage.
We
And
were
that's
just
what-
making up as we went along,
we
didn't we?
just like put a backdrop up in our living room and just went.
I thought it was like a proper green.
No,
No,
we
no.
just went in our living room and just like kept the shot so tight because the backdrop was about 2 meters wide.
It looks so
Literally
big though. It looks like a proper studio.
We
Yeah.
literally just put the back up,
Yeah,
messed
there's
around
no
for like
budget
2
at all in
hours,
that.
yeah.
No, it didn't cost anything, did it?
No, we just literally messed around for like 2 hours and then used all the footage from
Yeah,
us
it's got
pissing
fast.
around.
The thing is, there's so many outtakes.
Talk to me, baby. I'm going black when this sweet, sweet crazy. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Ay, 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 I keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. Walk to me, baby. I'm going black when this sweet, sweet crazy. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Ay, 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 I keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. Oh no.
I took to Twitter yesterday and asked people if they wanted a quick truth or dare, and we got a few dares.
Oh, okay.
Search the
I
hashtag.
love stuff like this.
I've got no service.
That might be a good
yeah.
thing.
And that's all the mentions then.
As long as I'm not eating any more dog treats.
One is dare them to prank call George Shelley
Okay.
or JJ Hamlet.
Frank with JJ.
Do
Is
a
it
call
me?
and mix
So-
it up. But
Is it?
wait, are you doing the call? I think you should phone him and say you don't want to be with the band anymore. Can you replace Casey? First, last one in, first one out.
Oh, I can't do that.
Yeah, do it. Call up JJ.
He's in meet and greet.
Is it
isn't he?
me?
Oh,
How funny would that be?
Okay. JJ. Wait, what should I say? What am I saying?
You want to leave the band
You
because
want to
they
leave
didn't
the
head in.
band?
Can you replace Casey because the last one in, first one out? And you're a better friend to him than he is.
Then start singing or something. Start singing Ken.
So you
Yeah,
just
it's
say,
got something
I'll
how
audition now, and then just start singing.
Yeah, do that.
It's going to be like, mate, I'm a meet and greet.
He won't answer the phone. If he doesn't, we'll have to move to the next day.
He's not gonna pick up.
Is that
Ah!
I don't think they finished their meet and greet.
Okay. So today's video is over. Part 2 will be up very soon. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a like, subscribe, comment below, and follow them on Twitter.
Bye guys!
Yeah, guys.
At NSM Band. Peace.
Bye.